Ever feel like your AI is just another task on your to-do list? You prompt it, you wait, you copy-paste. Meet OpenClaw. Its slogan is, the AI that actually does things. And for once, that isn't just marketing fluff. It's a shift from chatbot to orchestrator. As a product manager, I see the dilemma. On the left, groundbreaking capability, a massive productivity multiplier that automates your entire backend. But on the right, security. Giving an agent system-level access opens the door to unverified scripts and potential data leaks. For those of us in healthcare, finance, or e-commerce, access denied isn't just a glitch, it's a non-negotiable requirement. We aren't just managing backlogs anymore. In this new agentic era, we're managing autonomous risks. OpenClaw is the ultimate MVP. But don't connect it to production data without a sandbox. Safety first. Want the full strategic teardown? Subscribe to AI Product Talk, and let's get into the deep dive.